Right. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Here we meet again in the second episode of our knowledge sharing on every Thursday night for our non-profit organizations CIDE Limited. We begin with greeting Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We praise and glorified Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, the only one who ought to be praised and glorified, and we greet to and we praise to his all of the messengers, and in particular the last of them all, our beloved Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Okay, tonight we have we promise to share the as we finished before, we share about the Microsoft 365, the foundation of the how we choose the solution over our requirement for the non-profit organization. And now we jump into the most benefits for the utility of all the tools in Microsoft Teams. But before that, I would like to share you or remind you with how we use in our browser to secure or to split our profile, to make it easier how you can separate your profile from your company that you work on India externally, and also when you working on our organization. For example, you work in somewhere else in a company, and you also work on our organization. So I will share you how we can separate this this profile. So you can see on the screen, this is Office that I use my profile for CIDE, right? And you can see here there are another or one or two profile that you can work on somewhere else or other organization. So if you add another one here, you can add to different organization, like if you want to use another account, then you can let's say use another organization, like probably in my company that I'm working on. And also you like to choose whether you use a personal account or work account or school. So in this case, you can choose the work account because we use Microsoft 365 as work account. Yeah. So when you create a new account, then after you complete the credentials and successfully login, you will see your. Let me go back. Then you will see on the settings, your browser setting, you will see in the profile, you can find more than one profile here. See, let's say this one that I just been added, and you can also add a personal account, Microsoft personal account, and then also work account. So you can see here in different profiles. Then you can switch in between from here. Like let's say I would like to switch to this account. Then it's open up another browser that or maybe the sharing is I need to switch the sharing to another browser. Let's say stop sharing. Then it will show you the new profile. Open up the new profile with your new credential. Then from here you can also work in other Microsoft 365 with another company or organization. So that way you can easily switch between without worry of mixed up when you working on like Office 365 or other websites. So that's how I or it's best practice for you to switch in between the organization and also not mixed up in between different organizations. So in that way you can open the Outlook to Outlook with different organizations on different browsers. Yeah. Okay, now we moving on into the theme, the Microsoft Teams. I would like to share you how we can enhance the collaboration through Microsoft Teams. Okay, first of all, as you know, there are multi-screen factors that offered by Microsoft Teams. You can work on Microsoft Teams from your browser. You can work from your phone, or you can work from your desktop. Where actually it's only split in 3 types of software, where it's web-based or cloud-based UI. The other 2 are the mobile apps. So there is a Microsoft Teams for mobile apps. There are Microsoft Teams for web, which is running on the cloud. You can open up using your browser. And the the third one is Microsoft Teams using your desktop application. So there are three application or software for Teams. You can use browser in your phone. You can use the browser version in your tablets, or you can use browsers in your desktop or laptop. But you can use the native application or mobile apps application in your phone, or you can use, or in tablet, usually tablet in Android based or iPad, you can install on its platform version, and then you can work on the desktop version on your laptop or on your PC. Okay, now I can show you the Teams from here. This is the browser version. Just go to the teams.microsoft.com. It's automatically pick up the last version. You can turn on the notification if you want. This is the chat where we can see the last or pinned recent chats, and also pinned chat, the contacts that you pinned in this screen. You can see the activities, last activities you just do on your Teams. You can see the teams, list of teams that you are member of, and the calendar that you're working on. OneDrive, you can access the file from here. So you don't need to go to OneDrive OneDrive site, so you can access from here. So that's just the looks, and now I can show you how it's looks like on your, or how to install. Maybe I need to show you how to install in your smartphone. Okay, let me load my Android emulator. You can find that it's pretty much similar across the operating systems, like iOS or Android. Is pretty much similar. Now that I load my Android emulator, okay, this is the application. You can install it. While we're waiting for the installation on Android, just highlight on the Microsoft Teams product statistics. Microsoft Teams has over 320 million users worldwide. So this is the number 2 collaboration software that users. So in 2023, it brought 8 billion in revenue for Microsoft. We don't care about that actually. Yeah. Just the fact that let you know, the platform holds 32.29% of the global video conferencing market. In the first 9 months of 2024, Teams has been downloaded 77.93 million times worldwide, and over 8 million US companies use Microsoft Teams for work. Microsoft Teams Premium now has more than 3 million users, and 90% of Fortune 100 companies rely on Teams for communication. So this is just to describe how increasing usage on Microsoft Teams statistics. In the market, the video conference software is still led by Zoom. But yeah, it's this Microsoft Teams is increasing usage. And as you can probably think that why we choose Microsoft Teams, actually because of the features that has been offered. It's eliminates scattered emails and disconnected communication. Imagine that you have emails, you have chats, and in different platforms. Yeah. Let's say you're working on using WhatsApp and emails using your Gmail or your other web-based mail outside outside of your organizations, and even though you use the organization based or configured by organization, there are other product that use, but with Microsoft Teams you can bring all together in a single place for communication. So you will see that it's not disconnected on the chat, on the communication on the files. So it's also centralized chats, calls and meetings and file sharing. And Microsoft Teams also integrates with other Microsoft 365 tools seamlessly. It tells you that when using Microsoft Teams, you can bring other Microsoft 365 tools into the Teams, into the Microsoft Teams. So I can show you probably the visualization of let's say you can see here view the organization teams. I will show you the detail after this. And every teams has channels in it, and you can start a new chat on ongoing. I mean, you can just start new chat to someone from here, or you can start discussion with your team, and you can use command box to specific people, like quick action or quick launch the other application. You can manage your own profile obviously, and then when in the teams, in your teams, I mean, you can share the file directly here, and the file that you share, it's automatically reside in OneDrive, and it's also accessible through the SharePoint. So actually your conversation, your files here in Microsoft Teams are reside in, or it's connected together with the other, like the data should reside on the OneDrive, and accessible through SharePoint. If you want to share it to other people outside your teams, or you can display nicely in your organization internal portals where everybody can have access or see there in without opening in detail in OneDrive or other application. And you can add more application into your Microsoft Teams. Let's say you want to add Planner, you want to add Power BI, you want to add OneNote in your Microsoft Teams, so you can access the other Microsoft 365 application in from your Microsoft Teams. Okay, let's see. Okay, the installation in Android is finished. I can show you now how it looks like in Android. Okay, this is the Microsoft Teams installed, and we can open directly here, and you can do the login to it. A notification allow. Let's try login. Yeah, this already in. Just the information on the application. You can start. Yep, that's fine. And this is the theme from the activity tab and chat. And you can see the chat. You can see the teams that you are member of. Let's say committee files. You can see the files in the committee teams, and also you can see the calendar, that this is the meeting calendar that we are on right now. You can make call to someone to contact. Let's say you can make call if you want. Recent call will be listed here. You can access the files from OneDrive or the recent file that you just opened. It's sorted by the date time and more, that you can access all the other Microsoft 365 application like Power BI, approval. Yeah, there is no approval waiting here, or the other application can suit Where's the OneNote? I want to show you OneNote. Or you can add, actually add from third-party application that works on Microsoft 365. Yeah, that's how it looks like. You can see how um, we can integrate all like documents. See logo, you can access the logo from here as well. See this the last logo we have. Save local to your phone and then you can use it. So this is all depends on the accessibility, the roles that you have in your organization. If you don't have access, it won't show you. It won't show there in the Teams. Okay. Then we back to our presentation. Yeah, that's the benefit of how we how we can put all together in one place. Now the setting up the teams for success. We can create teams based on the departments, projects, or focus areas. Yeah, obviously the organization has uh, different departments like like secretariat and treasury and well like the asset management or something like that. You can create teams in the Microsoft Teams based on this um, divisions, and then establish clear naming convention for channels. If you have channels in each teams, then you have to make convention how to create or naming the channel, so that's will not confusing or consistent understand level between the department, or and also understandable easy understandable by all people in the organization. And use private channels for sensitive discussion. If you have a sensitive discussion in between let's say the coordinator of one project, you can make a specific channel which is private, so you can not people that are outside that channel won't be able to see or spill the information or information that classified or something like that. And this is just to describe that from your organization you create multiple team, and that is based on the departments or the project or the area, and then on each team you can create channel like the default one when you create themes, it will be one channel. It's general channel where you can use as a default for everybody can have an access to this channel, and then you can create another channel. I will show you how it looks like in the when we create. So this is the themes you can see on your themes menu. You can create one theme, create theme. You can put the name like let's say for example the and also you can set this as a public or organization wide, so everyone in your organization can or automatically join, or public as anyone in your organization can join, or private if you want just only people that need permission or manually edit in your team. So then the first channel will be this. If you leave it blank, it will create a general. So now it's required. Okay. So now yeah, let's say we add this is just an example. You can create and then you can see um, how we can manage the theme, show it there, and you can manage the theme. You can add the channel. This is the general channel. You can add another channel. Yeah, channel type, standard, shared, private. Yeah, description on the channels and members of the teams. Yeah, you can add member. Say can add multiple. You can add multiple members here. Then if there are join requests from one of the users in your organization, it will be shown here. The setting, you can change the picture, the permissions and the rules. Yeah. Also the analytic or you can see the usage data here, how the teams usage by your members, and you can add the default application in your teams, tags or something. So yeah, that's the how you can create the teams, and then this is the department. There are education, media, publication, secretary, sisterhood. Just an example here. But you can add also based on the interest or interest area or the project base. Okay, that's the channels. So this is the application that you can add into, and let's say this is application that there when you open, let's say this is sisterhood. When you open this, you can add into the tab the application that you are given access before by default, but you can actually add from the external. Yeah, get more apps. So accessible, the apps will be accessible through the tabs. Okay, let's say I add the whiteboard, it will be shown here, whiteboard. Then you can, yeah, to the, this will be accessible through the all of the member that working on the same. You can share somebody, let's say somebody put the idea here, somebody else put the notes there, all are in one place, and it's shared. Yeah, this is a good an example of how you can collaborate with your teams, put the idea how to manage the project or something like that. Okay, best practice. Yeah, use chat for quick conversation. Yeah, obviously, if you want to just talk to one people or one or more, you can add more people into your first chat or first conversation to make a group, and you can then name your group. That's for the quick conversation, but you can use the channel for more structured discussion, and mention the name of user will get a direct attention to to your friend or colleague, and use emojis. Yeah, that's just additional features that it's common in the chat software. And reaction, you can thumbs up or yeah, something like that. Let's see, we'll show you how it's where is the, let's say I want to make chat to uh, see, he's offline, but if you type in your chat now, he will pick up later. Or maybe it's better using the browser version. Yeah, chat. Let's start chat with you can add more here if you want to create group chat. You can add more people, add people in the group later. Yeah, that's can mention someone. especially if you have a large group. You can add React. Yeah, that's how use effective conversation in the team chat. Now back to the, I think we might, yeah, you can also block if you don't want to, but that's not the good practice in the organization. Yeah. Okay. Leveraging meetings and collaboration, schedule meetings with calendar integration. Use breakout rooms for focused discussion. Yes, that's also good features to be able to break out rooms. Let's say you have a class meeting and then you want to have a different group discussion within your class, or yeah, on or your department or something. When you have a large initial meeting and then you want to break up for discussion into different groups, and record and transcript meetings for easy reference. Yeah, that's also the features that okay, this show you again in the web. Okay, from the calendar you can create, let's say now is, let's say we want to create a meeting on 5th, oh, 1st of May. Let's say want to create a meeting tomorrow. Then yeah, to the repeat or add channel if you want to add channel to include, or teams, or you want to schedule for the meeting for one department, you can use send personal invites. That's also can send to all the members of that channel or that department. Location, maybe if you want to add location, then if you already satisfied with the agenda or in the details of the meeting, then you can send. And also important thing is people in who can bypass the lobby, everyone, or because this Microsoft 365 is configured that it can invite the guests from external organization. That you can configure here that who can bypass the lobby or automatically enter into the room if you want. So you can allow everyone with, let's say you invite also other organization partners, then they can join straight away without need to escort. or manually added into the meeting. Yeah, that's the setting, and then the schedule will be shown in your calendar like this. Yeah, like this. Then later you can this will be shown in all the people that has been invited automatically, and then they will be able to join straight away from their calendar or from their email if it's been sent to the members. Yeah, that's the email. Oh yeah, the recording. The recording I will show you from my screen. How we can make record. Yeah, record. And then because this one has been recorded. And also the live captions, and there is one that you can transcribe. It should allow you to have an actually AI that automatically make the yeah, this one notes, automatically make the notes from your meetings. So the agenda will automatically generated by AI, and yeah, you can then use it as a minutes of meeting on from your meeting. That's that's the record and transcript. Okay, I think probably that's yeah, this is just show you as before how the notes can be created. Then yeah, I think the next is file management and collaboration. I think this one probably need more detail in the um, presentation, or show you the uh, an example. I think probably this will be on the next episode. Yeah, because this involve the other Microsoft 365 application, which is SharePoint and other like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and so on. In more deep detail, I mean, this the one before that I'll show you the application that we can bring all together in one place in Microsoft Teams is just small, like the notes, the whiteboard, the what else? Yeah, that's only the application, the small application in there. Okay, that's all for now. We can see on the next episode. Thank you very much. Jazakallah khairan kasiran. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.